Alright, time for second quarter. Trios ball. Okay, play ball. Mentopa, they bring the ball. Mentopa pass to Sadava, Sadava pass to Librado. Oh, what a nice intercept by Ian. Ian! Pass to Kurt. What a nice take by Kurt. 2 points made by Kurt. Mentopa, they bring the ball. Pass to Librado. Librado, pass to Canong, attempt to shoot, so good, rebound by Ian. To Pasco, nakaapak ng tae. Nakaapak ng tae si Pasco mga kaibigan. Ayan na. Canong, looking for pass to Gian. Gian, 4-3, 2 points, made by Gian. Ryan gets steal by Ian, layup, no good. Pasco, he drives, but no good, still rebound by Ian, no good, rebound by Librado. Pasco, Dongs, he drives. He scored! Get on. It's a counted foul. Another foul made by Ken Ong. Ken, tatlo ka na lang. Pasok lang. Hindi, sabi mo sa akin, pasok lang. Goal. Second. Mendoza, pass to Librado, pass to Gian, attempt for 3, no good. It's air ball, rebound by Gian, pass to Dongs, he drives, one gas, super by Gian. Oh my God, ang dami na Gian. Librado giving the ball, pass to Mendoza, looking for pass, Gian, pass to Librado, attempt to shoot, no good, he's taking the road, still Librado, pass to Librado, rebounds, no good, Dongs got a rebound. Dongs looking for a pass to Pasco, and then shoot for 3 points, made by Pasco.
Pasco ay sumapit.
Mendoza, pass to Gian, kanina siya pa, Mendoza, pass to Gian, pass to Librado, for 3! Kalabaw lang ang tumatagta. Ryan, here pass to Dongs, pass to Kurt, with a zigzag footsteps, pass to Gian, gandang dukat pero nga lang di pumasok, rebound by Librado, pass to Librado, Librado, pass to Mentopa. Mentopa, ring the ball, pass to Librado. Librado, oh, no good, rebound by Kia Ryan. Oh, kuha naman ni Kia. Mentopa. It's a foul. Time over. Black Mamba.
Are you doing 2 shots?
Who's foul round?
I don't know.
Number 2, just number 5. Alright, we're gonna announce the foul. Black Mamba fouls. We have Ian, first personal foul. Kurt, first personal foul. That's the first team foul for the second quarter. 3 L's fouls. We have Cat On with a 2 personal foul. LeBron J 1 personal foul. Doggy 1 personal foul, and that's the 2 team fouls for the trios for the second quarter. Wala. Si sa Bibilag Speed. Alright. Bang. 1 point made by Mentopa. Third, lagi pa pass to Pasco to Dongs. Wow! 2 points made by Dongs with John Manok. Mentopa Pasco. Oriastay for 3 again. No good. Rebound by Librado. Pasco Oriastay. Another 3 points. No good. Who's gonna get the rebound? Rebound by Mentopa. What a blocker shot. 2 points. Mentopa. Kian, natulang sa bola sa kanyang bahay. Oh, what a nice acrobatic shot by Mentopa. Sino makakuha ng bola ko? Pasok Kian. Third, he drives. No good. Rebound by Librado. Pasco. Gets still by Pasco. Time out. Black Mamba. Yun Kumusta ang time out ng Black Mamba?
Last time out yun for this quarter.
Score 25-30 in favor of 3 L's Rookies. At sa ulo ng mga nagbabagang balita, di umano. At magpapatuloy na po ang ating laro. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Ang Black Mamba o ang Wheels? Ay, divine, pass to Steve. Ano nga po mga kaibigan? Oh, wow! Nice intercept by Orias K. Grabe! Pass to Mentopa, pass to Dog! Sayang! Sayang. That's a foul made by Steele. Dalawang tira para kay Dog. That's second team foul for the Black Mamba. And first personal foul para kay Steele. Unang tira. Bayong na bayong. Isa pang tira. One nice wheel by Kian. Kian looking for a pass to Dongs. Dongs pass to Divine for 3 points. 3 points made by Kian and Divine. Dito na ako sa mga pangalan nyo, may mga M sa dulo. Kagra-rhyme. Dog. Ang gumakaga na masabi. Umali. Pass to Orius J. Pass to Bitopa, back to Orius J. Oh my God, he's gonna get the ball. Divine. Knocked down with the leg. Mikey Laing. It's a double dribble. Double trouble. Oh, technical.
Sintas.
1 free throw for the Greyhounds. It's a technical violation. Bawal din ang pulita sa itlog ah.
So we're going to take Mr. Mike in this position.
Sa dawa, bulitas mo. Kailangan yan. Ay. Alam mo, hindi ako wala akong kinakampihan dito, okay? Dog! For 2! No good! He's gonna get the rebound. Still rebound by Dog! Galit! Gusto mo lang yan? Nagiginis! Yeah! Bola ng Black Mamba. Jumbo. Kia, pass to Dongs. Dongs. Looking for a pass. Pass to Pasco. He drives. No good. Who's got foul, Rev? Librando. Jersey number 7. That's a third team foul and second personal foul made by Librando. No good. Another shot para kay Pasco. Grabe, ano pa lang ngayon April. Joke lang, sinigang. Okay, Dog. Ripping the ball. Pass to Orius J. Pass to Bitopa. Pass to Librando. Pass to Orius J. Pass to Dog. Pass to Mali. Mali, ball three. No good. Rebound by Kian. Knocked down the leg. Yung sinaing. Tulog na yata. Technical kayo, bata sa taas, technical. Attempt to shoot. Oh, what a nice effort shot by Librando. He drives. Yes, goal! 2 points made by Librando. Dongs, he drives. No good. Real by Dog. Pass to Orius J. Pass to Bitopa. What an easy shot. Made by Bitopa. Grabe mga kaibigan natin, napakainit po ang bakbakan natin mga kaibigan. And about divine, 4-3! No good, who's gonna get the rebound? Rebound by Umali. Umali looking for a pass, pass to Dog. Pass to Librado. Librado! 4-3! No good, who's gonna get the rebound? Still got from the top, pass to Librado. Librado, no good! Kian, now top of the left. Yoshi Daing! Sunog na yata! No good! Who's gonna get the rebound? Rebound by Dog, pass to Umali, pass to Jay. Jay, ang dami nangyayari! He's getting the call. Real by Umali. Umali, pass to Dog. Dog, 4-2. No good. Still Dog pa rin. Discount Doggy. Third of the back one. Dog, pass to Orias Jay. He drives. No good. What here? Divine. Not to the net. Yoshi Daing. Sunog na yata. 2 points made by Divine.
Yung ano, natanggal.
Alright, tapos na ang timeout. At tayo napapatuloy sa pangalawang bahagi ng ating laro. Score 30-35 in favor of 3Ls.
Ano si
Ano kaya mawawagi sa dalawang grupo? RLJ, pass to Mentopa. Mentopa, pass to RLJ. Again for 3! No good, he's gonna get the rebound. Rebound by Divine, pass to Ryan. Ryan looking for a pass to Dogs. He drives, got them shot by Librado. Librado drives, so good. Rebound by Ryan, pass to Divine, pass to Kian, he drives. What a fadeaway shot, pero no good pa rin. Kung sino gonna get the ball. Okay. Mendopa, pass to Mali. Pass to Mendopa there. Orange Day. Mendopa. Oh, he got down, no good. Nabitawan. He drives, no good. So we go by that. Jack Bamba. Get on, pass to Mendopa. Mendopa dribbling the ball, looking for a pass. Oh, got an intercept, but still got by Orias Day. Orias Day! Gomes